Hi guys, so here we are again in another abandoned place. Here we have some sheds. This is an old chicken factory, guys, that's been abandoned. I am by myself. There is the tower there. So yeah, so there's not a lot in here, much guys. You've got a shed just there. Don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a shed just there, guys. There's a couple of sheds here. Inside them, guys, as you can see, there's not very much left. The roof's about to collapse, I think, at some point. So yeah, there's some old towers there, a couple old more abandoned buildings walking down here, guys. As you can see in that one there, right down, there's nothing in there at all. So yeah guys, this is in a very old abandoned shed. There's not a lot here at all, guys, really. If you go in this way, oh, looks like somebody's been sleeping there. There's not a lot in here, guys, at all, as you can see. I'm alone here, guys, so it is quite late at night as well. There is some other sheds up here, as you can see. There's an abandoned barn, guys, at the back here. There's not a lot in here. Very spooky down here at night, guys. So yeah, as you can see, this is an old barn that goes way down as well. As you can see, I just stepped on a piece of metal there, guys, so sorry about that. There's a couple more sheds at the back there. But as you can tell, quite abandoned. Nobody's been here for years, as well, as you can see. So yeah, unfortunately I don't have my K2 meter with me, so I can't take a reading. But as you can see, guys, loads of buildings just round about here. There's one right in the back there. You're not able to see it, guys, at all. There's an old trailer sitting way up there in the back as well. So yeah, so hope you're enjoying these videos, guys, as well. The abandoned stuff, there's no ramp there leading up to another one. So yeah, so making my way back out this way. I'm just going to turn my light down a tiny bit. So yeah guys, if you are enjoying these, let me know. Just turn the light down a bit. So if you are enjoying these, guys, let me know, and we'll make more. So I'm Gareth Lynch. This is all things deserted places as well, and thank you for tuning in. Bye for now.